As you see for yourself, the setup, it's a little bit different because I'm in a hotel room sitting on the floor, so I can produce this video. And in front of me, I have a window which gives me more daylight. However, since I'm here, I decide to shoot few videos so I can schedule them while I'm gonna be moving, and in that case I don't have to stress myself about uploading. What I wanna talk about is what's inside my daytime skincare bag or my daytime skincare routine, and I'm gonna start with the boring stuff. Deodorant, that's secret, clinical secret, invisible solid, stress response. It's one of those things which works. People have mixed feelings about it, but it works. And at the end of the day, you're gonna wash yourself. So even if you not into aluminium and all the other controversy, guess what? You're still gonna clean yourself, and this thing works. It smells pleasantly. I like it. There is nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna follow up by washing my face, and in here currently it's the foaming cleanser Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser Purifying Mask for normal combination skin. I like foaming cleanser because it makes me keep looking if it's gonna show up or not, because it makes me wash my face a little bit longer in order to take the foam off. However, today's cleanser are not as harsh as they used to be. This, I believe, was a freebie or some kind of a purchase with purchase. I know I get it in a promotion, but otherwise there are many available cleansers. I just have this one, so that's the one which I'm using. After I clean my skin, I'm gonna put the toner, or should say apply the toner, just to even out the pH of my skin. And this is, I'm not gonna call it a fat water, but that's how it looks like. It's a gloopy toner from ESTEE as well. That's their Nutritious Super-Pomegranate Radiant Energy Lotion Intense Moist. If you're familiar with the fat water from Fenty, this is something similar. It's still a toner, but it's more heavier. So, okay. See, like it goes, but it's not as heavy. So if I can compare this to something, recently I did overview about the Believe skincare set, and like their toner was really watery. This is more jelly-like, and because it's a little bit heavier in texture, you don't need to use as much. In the past, I have small sizes, and they last me for a while. So I know this one, it will last me for a while as well. So that's the toner which I'm using. Obviously, I have two items from ESTEE. It doesn't mean I will repurchase them afterwards because there are so many other products on the market. Once I clean and tone my skin, I'm going to apply vitamin C serum. That's FACEMANIA vitamin C serum, which I bought where I was in Europe. And at that time, I was using something which already oxidized. So when Celeste Associate, she recommended me this one. I was like, you know what, just give it to me because it cannot be worse than already is. So far, I like it. It's vitamin C, ferulic acid, green tea extract, vitamin E. So besides the vitamin C, it have few other things. If it works passable, I let go of my pigmentation, so now I have to go back to the way how it was. But yeah, I do like it, and I think maybe I have like a quarter left because I'm using it every day. But so far the steps which I have, it's clean, tone, vitamin C, and then I'm gonna follow up with a hydrator or hyaluronic acid because vitamin C is a little bit sticky. This one is the CERAVE Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B5. It's a nice moisturizer, or I should say serum, which comes in a cream form. It's very light, and because it's CERAVE, it's widely available, accessible, and you can buy it and sell. So it's one of those products which is cheap, but it does work. And similarly as with the, come on, I just lost you. Similarly as with vitamin C, this product it's gonna be empty really soon. I have small eye cream. This one is Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Eye Balm. Okay, I like this one. In the past I even have a full size, and I enjoy it because it has a balmy, heavier. It was heavier consistency. It was a little bit balmy, and I don't know what happened, if they changed the formula or if my skin changed. But I don't think it's the same as it used to be. I have the sample, so obviously I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna go into waste. It's okay. It's not perfect, but as an eye cream, it works. For the lips, I have Indeed Lab Hyaluronic Rouleon Volumizing lip treatment. I think this one's with hyaluronic acid and something else. I do enjoy the Paula's Choice lip and body, I think, care. Either way, it comes in a little pad and you have to scoop it with your fingers. However, because that, let's call it balm, it's so heavy, you're gonna apply it in the morning, no, apply it in the evening, go to sleep, and when you wake up, it's still there. So pretty much your lips have time to regenerate, and I do like it. This, it's similar concept, but it comes in like a similar concept. This one, it's a similar concept, but it comes like a, come on, like a jelly like. And yes, it will hydrate your lips, it's gonna stay there. But if you use this during the day, obviously you're gonna drink, you're gonna eat, so you have to reapply it more often. But if I'm gonna use it the same way as the Polish Choice at night, yes, it does provide a hydration and repair your lips. And right now it comes in different colors, so I don't mind repurchasing in the different shades. But this is my second tube and I do like it. Obviously, I'm almost out of it, but I do like this product. For the hands, I have the hand cream from Jaya. That's their olive oil for the hands and for the nails. And yes, it's almost empty, or it's gone as well. Obviously, if you use products every day, you know eventually you're gonna be done with them and you have to put a new one into use. So that's what I'm doing. And second to the last is the moisturizer from Origins, a perfect word SPF 40 H Defense Moisturizer with white tea, broad spectrum SPF 40, 1.7 ounce, 50 ml. I used this moisturizer for years on and off. It's a moisturizer which has antioxidants, hydrates, seal, all the good stuff which you put previously, and has SPF. Plus, it smells nice. It smells pleasantly. I do. I like the scent of it. It's white, but when you rub it off, it kind of disappears. Yes, it's gonna be white because of the SPF. Now, before some of you is gonna be controversial, if, for example, I have a moisturizer, plain moisturizer without SPF, yes, I'm gonna apply SPF afterwards. But this one has SPF inside, so that's gonna be my last step. And then I'm gonna follow up with my makeup, which maybe has SPF, maybe it doesn't. But at least I know I'm getting SPF in the moisturizer. If it's gonna be 40, not really, because I'm not gonna apply the layer thick enough to give me the SPF 40. However, at least I'm gonna get something, and that's something, it's better than nothing, and I'm gonna use it every day, and that's the most important thing. And it does smells nice. Okay, and then the last item is the perfume. Currently I have the Acqua di Gioia. I have this one in the past in a big size, the 100 ml, 3.4 ounces. So this is a repurchase for me, and yeah, it's almost gone, so I'm gonna be sad when it's gone. But I purchased few other fragrances while I was in Europe, and yes, I'm gonna make a video shortly so I can share it with you. I do like the scent. It smells like a sea foam mixed with flowers. It's a neat scent. I thought I was a little skeptical when it came up, but I decided to give it a try, and I'm glad I did, because it's one of those scents which you can wear during the day and you're not gonna offend anyone, but it's also perfect for summer. So yeah, I'm gonna miss it when it's gone. And that's all what I have in my daytime skincare routine. Obviously, I'm rotating the products once they're out, and if something doesn't work, possible I'm gonna either switch them or use them somewhere else. But yeah, I see you next time. Bye.